Hi guys, it's Sam and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today's video will be your go-to guide on how to make an offer on your first property. Before we get into the video though, make sure you hit the subscribe button, it's free and that way you'll never miss an upload. Now it's true what people say about a house, you'll know when it's the right one by gut feeling. You'll be able to imagine yourself living there, redecorating it, getting all excited, choosing the couches, the carpets, all that sort of stuff. But how do you exactly make an offer on the house? So the first step is to tell the estate agent of your intent. You like the house and you're ready to make an offer. Now don't go charging in, telling the agent your full financial position, but you do need to make sure that the numbers stack up for you. So speak to your broker, double check interest rates, the monthly repayment, and check you have enough in savings to cover the costs of the solicitor and any additional surveys that need carrying out. Then you can make an offer in writing, usually an email this day and age confirming that you'd like to make an offer and the amount that you're willing to pay. Now there's no set rule book. The estate agent has to put every offer forward to the vendor. So make sure that if this is the one for you, it's an offer that's going to get the homeowner considering selling it to you. Now emphasize your position. First-time buyers are attractive to sellers who want to avoid long chains and possible delays. Being a cash buyer can also mean you can move quickly. Now, if you sound like you're on the ball and you're keen to move, that's also going to help your case as well. Then you get ready for the negotiations. If the seller is interested in your offer, then negotiations are conducted by the estate agent. If your offer is accepted, happy days, ask for the property to be taken off the market. Agree with the agent a written list of all the fixtures and features that you want included. Have it in writing at the start of the process reduces the chances of disagreements and delays right in the process if you thought the fridge was going to be included in the sale, but it's actually not. Then that's where we come in, as it'll be time to finalise the mortgage application. So if you want to know more about the whole process, then we do have a video breaking down the first time buyer journey. So make sure you go ahead and watch that video. And if you have any questions about today's video, drop me a comment below or give a team member a quick call. It's free and it's 01925 573 328 and we'll be able to talk you through the best ways of making that offer on your first property.